Welcome to the Car Symptoms Guide, your trusted source for diagnosing car problems before they get worse. Today, we're tackling a super important topic that affects every driver, your car's braking system. Specifically, we're diving deep into the symptoms of a bad brake caliper. Understanding these warning signs is absolutely vital for your safety on the road. So let's get right into it. Vehicle pulling to one side. One of the clearest and most common signs you might notice is your vehicle pulling to one side when you brake. This can happen when a sticking brake caliper applies uneven pressure to the brake pads. You'll feel as if the car is being pulled in one direction. Spongy or soft brake pedal. Next, pay attention to how your brake pedal feels. If it feels spongy or unusually soft, this could be a sign of a failing brake caliper. A brake fluid leak or an issue with the piston inside the caliper can make the pedal feel less responsive, requiring more pressure to bring your car to a stop. Brake fluid leaks. Have you ever noticed puddles of fluid near your car's wheels? Leaking brake fluid is a serious indication that there's a seal failure in the caliper. If you spot this, it's a clear symptom of a bad brake caliper that needs immediate attention, as it can lead to brake failure. Abnormal noises. Hearing unusual noises when you hit the brakes, like grinding or squealing, these sounds can indicate worn-out brake pads or a problem with the caliper itself. For instance, if the slide pins of the caliper are seizing, preventing it from moving freely within its bracket. Burning smell. Detecting a burning smell coming from the wheel area? A seized caliper can cause excessive friction and extreme heat, leading to a burning odor. This is a symptom of an overheating brake caliper and needs to be addressed quickly. Uneven brake pad wear. During an inspection, if your mechanic finds that your brake pads are wearing unevenly, this is also a strong clue. A caliper that isn't releasing pressure properly can cause one side's brake pads to wear down faster than the other. This clearly points to a brake caliper issue. Vibrations when braking. Feeling vibrations or pulsations in your brake pedal or steering wheel when you apply the brakes? These vibrations can be caused by a problematic brake caliper, indicating an imbalance or a seized component within the braking system. Reduced braking performance. And perhaps the most concerning symptom of a bad brake caliper is a noticeable decrease in overall braking performance. Your vehicle might take longer to stop, or the brakes might feel less responsive. This is a major sign that your brake caliper isn't functioning as it should. Brake warning light illuminates. Last but certainly not least, the brake warning light illuminating on your dashboard. This light is a general indicator of a problem within your braking system, and a faulty caliper could be one of its primary causes. So, there you have it, the crucial symptoms of a bad brake caliper you need to look out for. Never ignore these warning signs. If you experience any of them, get your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic immediately. A common question is, how long can you drive with a bad caliper? The answer, not long at all. It's a significant safety risk. The cost of brake caliper replacement is far less than the potential cost of an accident caused by brake failure. Remember, safety comes first. Ensure your braking system, including your calipers, is always in top condition. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. See you in the next video.